Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display specific or multiple product categories in WooCommerce product grid layout in Elementor WordPress using plugin. So we are using this plugin, essential add-on for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to plugin setting in elements. Now you see WooCommerce element, so you can enable Woo product grid. So we are using this, and then click on save changes. So after that go to page. We already use this Woo product grid element. Now you see, so this is our widget we are using. Now click on it, and then you see content style advanced in layout, select grid. Now you see style preset, so you can select any layout, and then you see column 4 we are using, and then you see show badge, enable this option. Now you see query. Now expand it, source product, filter by recent product, and then you see product category, so you can add one or more category. So we are going to display product from specific category. Now you see chef knife set, we select. If you want you can select multiple categories, so it's up to you. And then you see out of stock, enable, on sale, enable. Now you see image setting, add to cart. If you want you can add custom text, load more, we select this, infinity scroll. Now you see load more, pagination. If you want you can enable pagination, so it's up to you. Product compare, so you can do styling according to requirement. Now go to style, you see alignment, left, center, content background color, padding, border type, color and typography. Now you see add to cart, styling and typography, so you can set color scheme according to requirement, and then click on publish. You see pop up, we enable compare button also. Now you see load more, and then you see table style. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see product from specific category. Now you see compare, so click on it. So this is a compare table, so you can set styling for compare table in widget. Now you see compare button, table style. Now close. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.